We are going to introduce IDA Pro disassembler, one of the most well-known disassemblers. We're going to use the free version because it is more than enough for beginners. All presented exercises will be carried out in Linux, in particular in Linux 15.04. After downloading IDA and files are extracted, we click on IDA queue. Now we have to click on New and select the file to be disassembled, num in this case. In this course, the default parameters are applied for simplicity reasons. The first interface we see is the graphical one, in which the general structure of the program can be identified. Arrows are used to show the data flow, and also the graph view is here. But in this part of the screen, we can identify a more detailed view. In this case, there are a pair of arrows, one red and another one green, and each of them represents different data flows. And here at the top, we can identify the memory space used by the disassembly program. For instance, here we are in the main part of the program. A text view can be also identified. While in the graphical interface, we click on the right button of the mouse and we click on text view. Here we can see the instructions of the assembly code. Memory addresses are located on the left side, and here we are in the main function. Here there are instructions related to the main function. Other window is the X view, in which the code is presented in hexadecimal. Imports view is another one, in which all imports used in this program are presented. Also, function view presents functions applied in this program. Now we are going to talk about debugging. Once in the text view, we can choose an instruction, for example this one, and we can establish a breakpoint. Now the instruction is highlighted in red. Then we click on Run with the debugger option activated, local Linux debugger. And before the instruction in which the breakpoint is established, the program stops. Here we click Yes. Registers are pointed out, and also the content of registers, and here we have the stack. In this part, in the left side, we have the memory addresses, and on the right side, we have the content of the stack. Note that, opposite to established convention here, memory addresses are located on the other way around. High addresses are located at the bottom, and low addresses are located at the top. Finally, we are going to show you how to run a program with input parameters, as it is the case. When the program finishes, we go to debugger, we click on process options, and we establish a chosen parameter. A number in this case, because I know. For example, 10. Click OK and execute the program. We can identify registers and also the stack view once a parameter has been introduced. These are the main functions of IDA Pro. Now you're ready to start disassembling code.